Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about airline flight delays, cancellations, and refunds. Firstly, we cover the delay aspect. What is a delay? If an airline is scheduled to depart at a particular time, and for some reason it is unable to depart at that time, it is called a delay. And the reason for delay could be multiple. There could be some weather conditions. There could be some technical reason. There could be a reason where the airline is coming from a particular sector and it has got delayed on that sector due to multiple other reasons. There could be a medical emergency on board. There could be some technical issue. And there could be some infrastructure constraints. The reasons could be multiple. And when there is a delay in flight, airlines try and accommodate you based on your next connection. If you are a passenger who has got an onboard connection, you are given priority first. If you have a passenger who's got an international onboard connection, you have given priority first. If you have any other important prior meetings which have been scheduled, when you communicate to the duty manager or the shift in charge, they will try and accommodate you first on the flight, and they will try and accommodate other passengers based on first come first serve basis, or based on their nature of emergency of travel. In case of a delay and you know it in advance, as in if the delay is planned, airline will communicate this to you through SMS or an email, or when there is no communication details mentioned. It could be a challenge for updating about this. So which is why airlines are very particular about the contact details of the passengers, so that they can communicate you about any unforeseen circumstances. Usually in case of a delays, airlines are governed by certain guidelines, the local guidelines. In our case, the guidelines laid down by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. And in case the delayed timelines beyond an hour, and there are certain set guidelines which keep getting monitored by the DGCA. If the flight is getting delayed, airline is bound to provide refreshments to their passengers, or they are if the delay is beyond a certain timeline, they are bound to give the passengers a full refund on their tickets, or they can allow the passengers to rebook their flight onto the next available or the next flight with the passenger wants to travel. And talking about the cancellation, so cancellation for a beginner means if an airline is scheduled to fly at a particular time, for a reason airline cancels their flight. The reason could be a technical snag, reason could be a bad weather, reason could be some other unforeseen circumstances which is out of the control for airline. So in this case, the airline is bound to refund the entire fare back to the passenger. In certain cases, airline is bound to also pay a compensation to the passenger. So know your rules. Check on the DGCA website or check on the airline website to know what are your what is your compensation, or what are you entitled for. Next is refunds. So in case of a delay or a cancellation, if a passenger wants to refund, in a normal scenario, a passenger would reschedule their flight to another departure for a different date or the same date. But in certain cases where after missing the flight, your plan is totally disturbed and you do not want to travel, you can choose to take a refund of your flight ticket, and airline is bound to refund the entire money without any cancellation charges, and also pay you a compensation if you are entitled for. And in the case of refunds, the refunds will come through the mode of payment of the passenger. If you have bought a ticket from the airline website, the refunds will be processed immediately from the airline. Had you paid through cash, your cash is given back to you. Have you paid through card, your money will be reversed back, or in certain cases you will be given a credit shell. And in case of a refund for a passenger who's bought a ticket through a travel agent, the refund is processed, but you will get the money back from the same agent. In case of an airline, a passenger who bought the ticket from a travel portal, you are advised to get in. The flight is cancelled on the system the refund is processed, but you are advised to contact the particular travel portal to get your refund. So these are few points when you are claiming for refund. So friends, in this video we've spoken about the flight delays, cancellations and refund in a very simple steps. In the next videos we're going to talk these aspects in much detail to cover the technicalities of this. Thank you.